In today's industrial landscape, businesses face unprecedented environmental challenges. Industries find themselves under mounting pressure to minimize their carbon footprint and operate with heightened environmental responsibility. The escalating cost of energy adds another layer of complexity. ELGi responds to these challenges by taking a leading role. Introducing the groundbreaking EG Super Premium Series 90 to 110 kW. This series isn't just a technological leap. It embodies ELGi's commitment to navigating the intricate balance between environmental responsibility and cost efficiency seamlessly. More than 80% of a compressor's total expenses typically stem from energy costs. The EG Super Premium compressors provide an impressive up to 15% boost in energy efficiency compared to existing compressors. EG Super Premium series is crafted with unique features that make it the best solution for energy efficiency and performance. The two-stage air ends, featuring ELGi's unique and proven A-to-V profile, play a pivotal role in enhancing energy efficiency. By utilizing a two-stage configuration, the pressure ratio of compression in each stage is reduced, resulting in higher efficiency and minimized losses when compared to higher pressure ratios. What's more, ELGi's lower speed air ends, coupled with a relatively lighter load on each stage, contribute to an extended lifespan of the components. EG Super Premium compressor series is powered by IE4 Super Premium motors, positioning them as best in class when it comes to energy efficiency. The synergy of advanced design and cutting-edge technology makes the EG Super Premium series a true leader in energy-efficient compressor solutions. The EG Super Premium series come equipped with a state-of-the-art industrial controller, the Neuron 4, exclusively designed and developed by ELGi. The Neuron 4 is an all-in-one solution for superior and reliable compressor operation. Featuring an industrial-grade 7-inch touchscreen interface, the Neuron 4 offers superior safety and performance features. What sets the Neuron 4 apart is its advanced processor and hardware, offering a range of capabilities, including sequencing for up to 8 compressors, pressure scheduling for optimized performance, and versatile communication options with Ethernet and Modbus protocol. The EG Super Premium series subsystem is meticulously optimized for energy savings. The highly efficient air-oil separation system guarantees an impressively low oil carryover of less than 1 ppm, setting a new standard for industry-leading air quality. The EG Super Premium series is equipped with a highly efficient cooling fan and an oversized cooler. This ensures the essential cooling of compressed air, even up to a scorching ambient temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. With multiple operating pressure ranges and the integration of a variable frequency drive, the series promises energy savings of up to 25% during part loads. AirAlert, an optional but invaluable Internet of Things solution from ELGi, goes beyond conventional monitoring, revolutionizing the way you manage your compressors. AirAlert enhances uptime, energy efficiency, and provides 24/7 remote monitoring of compressors from any corner of the globe. The Neuron 4 controller seamlessly integrates with AirAlert, offering easy plug-and-play connectivity. Coupled with the Neuron 4 controller, it transforms your compressors into connected, intelligent assets ready for the Industry 4.0 era. The EG Super Premium series comes with top-tier components and supported by a best-in-class warranty program. With service networks strategically positioned across the globe, ELGi proudly holds the distinction of being the first industrial air compressor manufacturer to be honored with the Deming Prize for Total Quality Management. Industries from over 120 countries place their trust in ELGi for reliability, efficiency, and unparalleled service. EG Super Premium series, built for energy efficiency and performance,